The name I've chosen is Connor. I will put him up on the departure board. He's a young man that died last year and tragically took his own life. He was a student of mine because I'm a teacher, so it really profoundly affected me and brought up memories for me that I hadn't thought of for a long time, of when I was his age and a friend of mine had also committed suicide. You know, rather beautifully, I think this artwork has made me think about that again today. It's a very profound project because it's asking people to be reflective. It's asking people to think about death and about life, and it's something that we don't normally think about, or maybe it's a bit taboo. I think it's bringing people together, it's starting conversations, it's sharing stories, and I think that's a really meaningful thing to do.